We got the Ridgid Black Friday deals and holiday deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can make more tool review videos, so we can get you guys the latest and greatest Black Friday deals. Alright guys, I will be making a series of videos, different brands. I will be making the red, the green, the orange, all the different colors, all of the different brands. I will be making videos, so stay tuned for those. I still have a few more to be released. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Buy a subcompact kit and get a free battery. Yes, you are able to hack this. So that's a really low price. You're gonna end up paying what, about 70 bucks, 60 bucks for that drill driver kit. That's a killer deal on that one. You got impact driver and drill driver, 2 batteries charger. You get a free 4 amp hour battery. On this one, you're gonna end up paying around $90 to $100. That's a really good deal on this one if you guys do the hack. So definitely check this out. Even with that extra battery, I think that's well worth it. You're investing in a line, so might as well get the battery. You got a 2-pack of 4 amp hours or a dual bay charger for $99. That's pretty good, 50 bucks a piece. Or the battery charger for 100 bucks. All right, talking about some more kits here. You got a multi-tool kit for $99 and $199 for the hybrid panel light kit. So that is the multi-tool. And then you got the panel lights. Both of them have batteries and chargers. You got impact bench 139. It's a half-inch impact bench. I do not see brushless in here or anything, so my guess is just a normal brush tool. You got the drill driver kit for $79, the vacuum kit for $89. And then you got $99 your choice here. A circular saw subcompact drill drive, right angle drill. 100 reciprocating saw and a cutout tool. That's the 100 reciprocating saw. Circular saw is at the bottom. Alright, they still have the buy one get one. They brought this back from last year. So buy one get one free for the rear handle. It does come with 2 5 amp hour batteries, a dual port charger. You get 2 5 amp hour batteries for free. I do not have the prices in here because I don't know why this Home Depot did not have it. This Home Depot saw it's weird. But I will get back to you on that. You got the Ridgid framing nailer, and then you got the vacuum, guys. $59.88 for this vacuum. That's a really good deal on this one. I know it was cheaper. It was 40 bucks last or a few years back, but now it's 60 bucks. Pretty solid on that one still. You got a vacuum here, Makita vacuum for $129. That's a kit. Then they got a buy one get one free, guys. I don't know if this is gonna end up with the rear handle as well. So it's covered up, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna uncover it. You got a 40 volt max XGT chainsaw for $629. It's a kit. It does come with battery and charger. A blower, impact driver, drill driver. I do have those. Those things are a beast. So definitely check those out. Those are top of the line Makita XGT 40 volts. These are all 40 volt tools or tool kits. That's the blower there. All right, talking about some buy one get one free. They got the M8 or the LXT 18 volts. Buy this kit and get 2 free tools. It is $3.99. These are top of the line tools. You do get 2 batteries, a charger, and a case, and you get 2 free tools to choose with that one. And then the next one down is 1 free tool, which is the cheapest at $1.99. You get 2 5 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a case. And then you are able to choose from the ones to the right: a battery, looks like an angle grinder, a reciprocating saw, a jigsaw, oscillating tool, a blower, a ratchet, a circular saw, like I said, oscillating tool, and then you got the $199 2-pack of savings batteries, which I would definitely stay away from those if you can get that $199 with the free tool. But definitely check them out, guys. Lots of good hacks here, lots of good deals, so definitely check those out. Especially that angle grinder, that's what the one I want to get. All right, talking about Ridgid, guys. Ridgid has the cheapest kit you can buy as a buy one get one free. It's $179. Everybody else is doing $199. Ridgid is doing $179, and then you get one free tool, plus you get with a one free tool. You can choose from, well, to start, there are two 4 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a case. You can choose from the reciprocating saw, the angle grinder, the inflator, the router, the circular 7 1/4 circular saw, a 4 mode impact wrench, mid torque impact wrench, um, oscillating tool, a jigsaw, a blower like a garden blower or a leaf blower, and looks like an 8 amp hour battery. Wow, 8 amp hour battery, guys. That's a really good deal on that one. My guess is hack that one because that's a really good deal for 8 amp hour battery. That used to be Makita back in the like 5 years ago, basically, where they used to have, or not Makita, Milwaukee. 5 years ago, I believe they had like a 12 amp hour battery, and we hacked it for like a hundred something dollars. But right now, this is your time, Ridgid, to hack that 8 amp hour battery for like 80 bucks or 90 bucks around there. So, and then the one that's hiding, I believe, is the high torque impact wrench. All right, so we got the starter kit for $199. You got the ratchet valued at $199. The looks like the circular solder to the bottom, reciprocating saw, a blower, oscillating tool, and a jigsaw there. And then the starter kit for the Ridgid, which is the $179. That's the 8 amp hour battery, guys. That's a really good deal on that 8 amp hour battery, especially if it's hackable. The jigsaw, the router, the reciprocating saw. So lots of good stuff. Definitely check these out, guys. There's a lot of good deals, especially if you're in the brands and you want to stock up on those batteries. Check it out, guys. That's it for today. I will have more videos coming out. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting that like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.